I'm Nurul Hazrina binti Nordin from UMPSA STEM Lab, the Faculty of Electrical Electronics Engineering, University Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah, the instructor for this course.
Welcome to Microcredential 2, Raspberry Pi Installation and Configuration. This course is part of a structured learning series that integrates Python programming with hardware, enabling students to build real-world projects using the Raspberry Pi 4 and Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller. This course is the second installment in the three-part series, which are Microcredential number 1, Learning Python through Slider Game Development, where students develop programming fundamentals through an interactive game. Microcredential number 2, Raspberry Pi Installation and Configuration, our current course focusing on setting up the configuration of Raspberry Pi on hardware interaction, and Microcredential number 3, Raspberry Pi Programming, where students take their skills further by coding, interfacing with external components. In this Microcredential number 2, we will cover the essential steps to prepare Raspberry Pi for software and hardware integration. By the end of this course, students will be able to confidently install, configure, and operate a Raspberry Pi, laying the groundwork for more advanced application in embedded system and Internet of Things projects. This course is divided into 5 key chapters. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Raspberry Pi and its variants. This is when students will explore different Raspberry Pi models and their capabilities. Moving on to chapter number 2, students will learn into setting up Raspberry Pi. They will learn how to install an operating system and configure the device for first-time use. Chapter number 3, using a headless setup where there is no monitor required. Here, students will learn on how to set up remote access to control Raspberry Pi from another device. Chapter number 4 is about basic command line interface, CLI, and terminal usage. Here, students will understand essential terminal commands to manage file, processes, and network. Last but not least, we will look into GPIO pin overview and basic electronics. This is when students learn to interface the Raspberry Pi with sensors, actuators, and other hardware components. One of the major projects in this course includes coding for the UMPSA STEM Cube, which is a picosatellite simulation, where students will apply control structures to manage data collection and processing. This hands-on approach will allow students to bridge the gap between software and hardware, fostering problem-solving innovation.